push. So we're on our way to the mountain over there. Focus on the mountain. We're going all the way to the top. That is the Mount Everest of Subic.
We need to pick up Wilfred.
So we're heading up there to the all the way to the top of Mount Everest of Subic. And the crew is right behind me. So we're on a mission. Let's see how many survivors we're going to have at the end. Hello, good morning.
Nagaya niya yung mga ano, yung nagkakwan. Ay, nagyan. Nagaya kami ganyan sa ano. Nag-aalak pa siya na ano. Nilalato mo.
Yung mga nagkagala-gala.
Dapat yung nalang mabagpak.
Oh, this guy don't want to come with us. Lazy. Oh, the tour guide is confused. Okay. Morning. Okay, there we go. We're getting started. You stay there. Good dog, good dog.
Sabi mo, gumagapak ko.
So this is the first little steep part of the road. I'm sure it's going to get worse than this. Oh my goodness, we're just getting started and they're stuck. Let's go. Vámonos. Shamay, this is just the start. It's going to get worse.
Sunod-sunod kayo, sunod-sunod. Dali, sunod-sunod. Sunod-sunod, yan. Wow, kaya ko. Kayang-kaya kayo lahat dyan. Kaya pa? Kaya?
Ang sarap umakyat.
Ano yung si Isang, hindi pa nakakakyat dun. Basa ng puwit niya.
Ha? Ay, wag mo yung film yan, te.
Basa yung puwit niya.
Ay, kailangan niya talaga nakasapatos, no?
Oh.
Kailangan nakasapatos.
Look, somebody got tired and left their tumbler here.
Hi. Hoy.
Tumbler.
Karambas ka mo, tinapon na lang.
Don't worry guys, we're almost there. Only 1 hour more.
Kaya ginusto nila na akyat ng bundok para
Good person.
Okay, get moving.
Kasi yung tumbler mo, men! Huwag ka dyan! Dyan kayo? Pwede daw dito. Dito, oh. Hindi ba nakapili na lang tayo? Dumaan dito.
Oh, you guys took a detour.
Oh, may hirap dyan, oh. Min, food mo sa pahawak. Kaya niya tatapos. Uy, ang tarik dito! Takbar hindi dyan, may sandok ko sinyan. Ang sapatin mo, nabahan mo lang. Matarik nga dito, oh. Hindi kaya dito. Hindi kaya yan.
I tell you go that way. You know, going up is easy. Coming down is going to be harder. So you could tell in my breathing that we're getting tired already. And we're only a quarter of the way there. Our goal is to reach the top up there. I'm taking a break here. Take a break. Beautiful scenery from up here. Here comes the Tres Marias. Fine. Come take a break here in the shade. Tired? Your legs? Take a break here in the shade. So up there on those hills right there, that's called Sierra Hills. Right in front. And our house is to the right of that. You cannot see it from here, but yeah, it's close to the field there. Wow, the little rest really,
My goodness.
really worked.
What's that? Oh, I forgot to film. You need to go back there.
Yeah, right.
I forgot.
Okay, well, I forget. Go up there and then you can film it again.
Go. I forgot eh.
Let it rest a little bit.
You need to go down there and you start over. Wait. Go.
Honey, I cannot hold you. I'm going to get hurt.
I'm tired.
Here.
Go. Oh boy. I don't think he can make it. He looks so tired. Rest a little bit, Han.
What?
Rest a little bit right there. Uh-oh. Look at the view. I could see the ocean right there now. We're going up there. You see that mountain there? There. This is the view. Oh boy.
Ang dumi ng short mo kami. Nakakita sa ano, video.
Okay, want to see the wizard?
Yun. Zoom in to. Okay. That's it. Say something.
I'm tired.
But look at the view.
Yeah, I know, it's beautiful. You know, we're going to make it to the top. We got to go for it. Here, come join some water. It's already open.
Oh my goodness.
Here again.
What happened to you?
Tired. Honey, I'm 67 years old. If I had done this
You
a
still,
few years
you still
ago,
have a halfway to go, look.
I know. It's okay. I'll make it. You don't want water?
That's your view right there. You're seeing there.
Beautiful. Here. The thing about this last night, I only slept like 2 hours.
This guy can make it up there.
I need a bed.
Huh?
I need a bed. I need to lay down and rest.
Are you sure? You okay?
Yeah. We'll see.
Look at him. Oh, bye. Relax a little bit, hon.
Wow.
Wow, look at the view.
Yep.
And this nice tree right here.
You see all the different roads we haven't taken?
Yeah. Go!
Oh, Moses made it to the Mount Sinai with his staff. Man, this was easy.
Uy, di ba tayo mahulog?
Sino yan?
Maano ng kano yan? Sundan nila yung kano. Kaya nga may ano,
The backpack down.
yung ano dito, may bahay dati dito. Ano nagpagawa nito?
Ba't di na natuloy?
Hindi, tinanggal-tanggal nga ng mga ano, mayero, mura.
Ay, di siya ko di ano yung kato doon, nagalit.
Hindi na lang kami.
Ako patay na. Baka di lang You have to come here, oh, this side.
Ah,
You have to come here.
this was so easy, right?
Yeah, very. This is the view. Oh, dito na, pwede na mag-picture dito, Marlene.
Magluglo, parang blue lahat yan eh.
Very handy.
Oo.
Ay, napagdala ka samurai. Ano yan? Samurai. Kanino yan? Para sa ahas.
Siyame. Tapi ka muna dyan. Okay. Yan. Bibidyohan ko lang si Tito mga oh.
Takot tayo yung bilipod ng ano, pagpapulot sila.
When the guy that built a house here, he should have put a tree here also. He should have put a mango tree.
Sayo ng bahay niya. Ano po bang bahay natin dito? Wala. Ayun yung kaste. Anong nangyari? Bakit hindi na natuloy?
Kinuha ko nga ng mga tao din.
Marlene, give to the guy. He's really shy. He don't want to take it from me.
Tawa mo.
Nahiya daw siya oh.
Ay, lahat din na yun, o, diba?
Ha?
Kaya pala nag-iiyak, ha?
Nahirapan din sila dumaan doon yun.
There's the view. Right here.
Magdagat daw. Tatalon na ako.
Swimming, tara.
Tara. Ayun nagaya. Dapat sa ano. Tulungin daw.
Yan daw yung dalawa gusto sumama.
Dito na nagsabi. Dito tama daw din.
Ay, look at the farm right there.
Huwag lang kayo pupuntang malalim.
And here he is.
Naka-enjoy nung nakaraan. May lifeguard dun. Hanggang dito lang yung ano, oh.
Anybody want one?
Laki na, panalik ko. Bali, alam mo ka saan galing dyan? Sa likod ng damit niya yung pinakita niya kagabi. Paglawas ka ng kwarto, di wala. Kulit-kulit dito. Pagkatalikod lang, wala na.
Jasmine. Jasmine, you want?
Jasmine. No. Talagang
Sure.
pinunit niya eh. Ano ginagaya niya yung napanood ka?
Here's the view. There's the ocean right there. Mountain. And there he is.
Mabigyan ang asawa mo. Pagod na pagod. Pagod na pagod na pagod.
Where's our house right there?
Hindi, umihi na si Manny doon. Shock talaga. Hindi, nilagyan na ni Manny ng pangalan.
Sure na kayong dalaga kayo. Kasi hanggat maganda yung ano nyo.
Kapag na kayo, tataba kayo. Yan.
Ito yung katawan ko ng dalaga, gano'n.
It's a little misty today.
Photogenic.
Oh,
ano na, harap naman, harap ka. Ganun.
ang init, no? Doon tayo ito, kuya ba sabi ni ano, Wilfred, dali kuya ba?
Nahiya siya nga, nahiya siya. Ano naman, Ned? Ayoko. O, yung ikaw, ano, sumi. Dali. Ayoko. Ayaw mo na, ayaw mo na. Nakatayo lang. Ganun ka lang, pupos ka lang ng ganun. Dali na. 1, 2, 3. Harap ka dito. Yan. May ganun na. Lagay mo rin pa kami mo dyan. Ako ilagay ko yung lisa dyan. Yan. Yung lisa, ito wala nakaharap. Ay, ito pala yung umakyat doon.
May bakal dito, nakakaano.
Di ba ano bahay daw ito dati? Ayoko. Wala ka nga, wala kang provide. Hindi mo makikita ang katawan mo pag bumaba ka. Mababa na. Hindi ko nakita yung katawan ko na yung kadalagahan ko ah. Magdati kami yung katawan namin ng Marlon, ganyan ang kaya wala kang picture. Ganyan dati yung ano, payat kami dati yung Marie, ganyan sa katawan mo.
So this is Subic and Longapo. And right in front of us, that little island you see is Grande Island. And right to the left of that is the shipyard, which used to be called a Hanjin. Now I forget the name of it, but it's a different name.
Ikaw lang kumain ka na nito?
Ano hindi?
Para ba mapipicture?
Ano ba?
So we're on our way down now. And sometimes going down is worse than going up. The only thing is you don't run out of breath as much, but it's dangerous because you could slip. Joanne took her shoes off. She's walking down barefoot.
Masarap siya.
And this one's all making his way down there very quickly. The kids, they already probably all the way in the bottom already. Okay, let's continue. Let me get my Moses staff.
Oo, pati sa ano, pati sa bato, kumakapit yan. Pang climbing nga yan eh. Aray ko. I don't have a kalyo in my pit.
Yeah, I know. You're gonna get hurt.
It hurts my pit. And I need my kalyo.
Saan? Sinupa ako ah.
Yung paano yan, yung ano na yan.
Somebody left some garbage here. And it was one of ours because that's what we had, the Welch. Little critters.
Let's go swimming after this.
Where?
The ocean.
It's fine.
Paano yun? Wala pa tayong pagkain.
You talking about Baloy Beach?
Anywhere. Ocean.
Para ano? Lalo di ba para makapasal yung dalawang bata na yun. Balay na lang.
So the best way to go down is to step where there's any kind of growing and use that as a stepping to because if you use the sand there, it will get slippery. So this is the best way to do it, is like that. And of course you got to have the right type of shoes. Be careful, that's steep there. It's slippery.
Look at my shoe.
Okay. They're smiling at you.
Yeah, smiling.
Go down, get down low there to slide down.
He's calling you new shoe.
And low. Lower your butt. Ay. Yeah, like that, low, like that. The lower the better. Yeah, like that. That's how you do it.
Water nga.
You guys be careful, it's slippery there. Get down low. I tell you, get down low. Like that, yeah. You don't have to get that low. But yeah, that's the way you got to do it when you're going down. Okay, let's continue. And that's very steep there. You got to be careful. Get down low, like I told you. So we're almost to the bottom already. I had to help a few people on the way down, but they're doing okay. They're so glad that I was with them. The other ones, they're coming up behind us. I'm not sure exactly where they are right now, but they should be on their way.
Ay!